I'm going to show you guys how you can get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on your Tesla. It works on any Tesla, and all you need is this little thing over here, a Carlinkit. Stay tuned, we're going to check it out and see if it's any good. Yo guys, this is TNN, and here we have the Tesla CarPlay kit. So this is the Carlinkit T2C Tesla Apple CarPlay and Android Auto kit. Yeah. Before we get into the unboxing, just to let you know, if you are interested in purchasing this, link to buy will be down below in the description. And we also got an extra 18% off discount code just for you. The discount code is TNN, all in caps. So go ahead, if you're interested in purchasing it, 18% off right now. Go ahead and click that link down below. Right, so let's dive straight into the unboxing. So here we have the actual picture of the device. You got online upgrades, wireless connection, plug and play, and navigation for Tesla written on the side. And on the back over here, we got some further information if the camera decides to focus. There you go. Cool. Go ahead and pause it if you guys want to check that out. But we'll go and straight into this. Let's open up and see what we have inside. It's a very simple box. Not really much to it. We got the Carlinkit over here, and we got a pill. Lovely. That's quite nice. That's got shiny gloss plastic. Little ripple effect going all the way around. Got a little hole there, which I assume is probably like an LED indicator. USB Type-C for the power of the device, and then nothing else. All around, just some information on the side and some air vents on the bottom so it doesn't overheat. What else we get inside the box is we have got a USB Type A to USB Type C power adapter, power cable to power it up, and then we also got the USB Type C to USB Type C powered cable as well. So this all depends on what charge port you want to use to sort of power the Carlinkit up. And then we got the instruction manual. This manual, some models do come with a nano SIM card slot, so this manual is talking about that, but our model clearly doesn't. So I'm not going to go ahead and look at the manual. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to set up the Carlinkit now. So let's go ahead and let's do that. I'm going to try and do this as best I can with one hand on the camera and one hand showing. But step one is to plugging the power adapter. So the USB Type-C goes in there. Then you can use the two USB Type-C ports here and power up the device, just like that. Step two, once you've powered on the Carlinkit and you've got all these lights on, you want to go ahead and go on the Wi-Fi. And you want to make sure you connect to AutoKit 2431, and the password is 88888888888. That's a lot of eights there. It's basically 8 8s, something like that. But the password is in the user manual, so make sure you follow the user manual for the password. So step three, if you are using Apple CarPlay on your iPhone, make sure you got your mobile hotspot turned on and on discoverable. Then you want to go on Bluetooth, and you want to make sure you connect to AutoKit 2F31, which we are connected to. So easy as that. And then for the final step, you want to go on your internet browser, and you just want to search tespush.com, and here we have it. Here is Apple CarPlay, ready and loaded. Now I like that it's on this screen over here, and you can still control your car on this screen. You still got audio connected to the car through Bluetooth, so you can still keep the car connected to Bluetooth on your phone, as well as use Apple CarPlay. So you can use Google Maps, you can use Apple Maps, Waze, you can see your WhatsApp messages, YouTube Music, Spotify, and it all works. Just to prove it as well, if we go ahead and go on YouTube Music, literally will load up all my music and play whatever we want from here. And I can go back over here, load up straight to Apple Maps. Easy as that, really. And it's pretty reactive. It's got like the most little delay going, but for what you get, I'm going to take it. I mean, if you're a Tesla owner, you'll know how annoying it can be not having CarPlay or Android Auto sometimes. So the fact that we can get it with this device is amazing, and I will take that tiny little lag. Like, it's pretty quick. Like, even when I swipe it, it's not much of a lag. It's so tiny. I mean, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is quite laggy as OEM on most cars anyway, so it's actually not that bad. So yeah, there you go. That's how you get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as simple as that. And it works super fine, and your audio comes out just like it is as well. So whatever you click on here, whatever you do on here, your audio comes out of the car. It's amazing. So yeah, one quick thing before we go, I forgot to mention, when you connect to the Wi-Fi, just make sure that you click remain connected in drive. That way it stays on and stays connected while you're driving. And also, this is what Android Auto looks like. Again, really simple, really easy to use, really snappy, really quick as well. Everything just works perfectly fine, and you can adjust the Android settings and everything, and also do voice assistant. Everything's really cool. Same with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If you click on exit, you can change settings on the actual Carlinkit as well, such as language, display mode. You can go into auto night mode, or if you want to do HD resolution, how quick you want the frame rates, everything like that. Simple as that, really. So as always, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.